Today is Mother's Day in Italy, and guess what else it is? Today is the first day at the beach day. Yep, the beaches are all open now in Positano, and Carlo has the afternoon off work because it's a festive day. So we're gonna go and have lunch at the beach. I'm walking down because it's just getting harder and harder to park at the moment in Positano, even for scooters. They've taken away, so you can't come to the beach? Hello? Oh. As I was saying, they've taken away a load of spaces for the scooters. There's probably about a third of what there was last year. And every time I've gone down recently, I've had real problems parking. So I'm walking. It'll be a long walk back up this afternoon, but it's not gonna hurt, is it? Go home. Go home. The cat starts getting scared after a while because she's way outside her comfort zone, but she wants to be with us. She's gonna have to stay up there. She can't come to the beach. That would be silly. Right, this is going to be my place for the rest of the day. Oh, are you stuck? Are you stuck?
Aspetta. Aspetta.
How did you get over there, you silly dog? Normally in the afternoon we would go and sit on the beach for a bit, but it's really, really windy and they've had to put all the umbrellas down so there's no shade. So we're going to go back to the main beach and have an ice cream instead. Why do you have to walk on the wall? Don't fall off. What are you doing? You look like a goat. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Sfogliatella non ci sta. Ah, c'è. No, cono va bene.
Cono?
Grazie. Finish off a little walk on the beach. It's really windy. They have to tie up the paintings so they don't fly away. Carla's actually battled to get on the bus. I can't bear the crowd, so I'm walking up. Let's see who gets there first. I probably will. So today, first time ever, I got stopped by a whole load of people. There was about 7 different people stopped me to say hi, that they watched my videos or Instagram or whatever, and that was really sweet. Can't believe that there's so many people here. And it was fun to meet everybody, so thank you for stopping and say hello if you did, and if you come and you do see me, do say hi because I won't bite. Look, Kitty, have you been waiting the whole time for us? Oh, little one, you must be hot and hungry. Oh, funny, aren't you? Come on then, let's all go home. Oh, Kitty, you are a silly animal. What would you have done if we caught the bus up and we'd come home the other way? Would you have sat here forever waiting? My favourite bit of steps. Ugh. Let's open all the doors up. So that only goes to show it's actually quicker to walk up than to get the bus, because I started walking and the bus actually overtook me at one point, and I'm home and Carlo is not back yet. I won. Barbecue for dinner. There's a sunset happening at the moment, and I'm signing off here. See you next time. Thank you for watching.